Zebras are some of the most iconic animals on the African plains, instantly recognizable by their striking black and white stripes. But beyond their unique appearance, these fascinating creatures are full of surprises. In this video, we're going to dive deep into 20 incredible facts about zebras that reveal just how intelligent, social, and vital they are to the ecosystems they call home. From their complex communication skills to their impressive migrations, get ready to discover the hidden world of zebras like never before. 1. Unique stripes. Each zebra has a unique pattern of stripes that, beyond being visually striking, serve multiple purposes. Contrary to the popular belief that stripes are solely for camouflage, they play crucial roles in communication and protection. Studies suggest that the stripes can confuse predators when zebras move in groups, creating an optical illusion that makes it hard for a predator to focus on a single zebra. Additionally, the stripes help regulate body temperature by creating micro-air currents on the zebra skin, which is particularly useful in the hot African climate. Some research even indicates that the stripes may repel insects like tsetse flies, which are drawn to smooth surfaces. 2. Zebra species. The three main zebra species, plains zebra, mountain zebra, and grevy's zebra, are adapted to different habitats and have distinct physical traits. For example, the plains zebra is the most common, with wider, more spaced stripes, and it lives in large herds across African savannas from southern to eastern Africa. The mountain zebra, as the name suggests, is adapted to rugged, mountainous terrains and can skillfully navigate steep areas. Grevy's zebra, the largest species, has larger, rounder ears and narrower stripes. It primarily inhabits semi-arid regions and has a different social structure, with males establishing territories through which females roam. 3. Social structure. Zebras have a complex social structure where leadership usually falls to a dominant male, known as the stallion. He not only protects the group from predators, but also maintains order within the herd. Zebras live in family groups called harems, which can include up to 20 individuals, consisting of the stallion, several females, and their offspring. Bonds between zebras are strong, and they engage in social behaviors like grooming each other with soft bites, which helps reduce tension and strengthen social ties. During migration periods, these smaller groups can merge into large temporary herds to move toward areas with more food and water, but the family units generally stay together. 4. Communication. Zebras use a complex communication system that goes beyond audible sounds. They emit a variety of noises, including brays, barks, and snorts, used to warn of danger, call for group members, or express emotions. In addition to sounds, zebras use body language extensively. For instance, the position of their ears is a clear signal of their emotions. Ears laid back indicate anger or alertness to a threat, while forward-facing ears show calmness and curiosity. Tail movements also convey different moods, from irritation with insects to excitement. 5. Running ability. Zebras are not only fast runners, but also incredibly agile. They can sprint at speeds up to 65 kilometers per hour, 40 miles per hour, but what truly sets them apart is their ability to make sharp turns while running, which confuses predators like lions that rely on direct chases. Additionally, zebras have powerful hind legs capable of delivering deadly kicks. These kicks are used as a form of self-defense, and there are reports of zebras killing smaller predators like hyenas with their strong blows. 6. Natural predators. Despite their natural defenses, including their stripes and speed, zebras constantly face threats from predators. Lions are their primary hunters, especially at night when zebras have less visibility. Hyenas and African wild dogs also hunt zebras, often attacking in packs to try to isolate weaker or younger individuals. In rivers, crocodiles can hide in the murky waters and attack zebras when they come to drink. Nevertheless, zebras are not easy targets. Their strong hind legs and tendency to form cohesive groups offer some protection. 7. Diverse habitat. Zebras are highly adaptable and can live in various environments, from the vast savannas of East Africa to mountainous regions and semi-arid zones. The plains zebra, for example, thrives in open grasslands where it can spot predators from a distance and where its primary food source, grass, is abundant. The mountain zebra lives in rocky, steep areas, giving it an advantage in escaping predators that struggle to maneuver in such terrain. Grevy's zebras survive in drier areas and must travel long distances in search of water, often competing with livestock for scarce resources. 8. Herbivorous diet. Zebras have a diet primarily based on grasses, and they play a crucial role in maintaining the ecosystems in which they live. By grazing, they help control vegetation balance, promoting the growth of new plants. However, unlike other herbivores, zebras are less selective in their feeding and can survive on tougher, less nutritious grasses. This makes them resilient during droughts when available vegetation is scarce. They have strong front incisors for cutting grass and large molars in the back for grinding the fibrous plant material. 9. Dependence on water. Zebras need to drink water regularly, which heavily influences their movement and migration patterns. During the dry season, many zebras migrate to areas with permanent water sources, often joining other herbivore species like wildebeest and antelopes. These migrations can cover hundreds of kilometers, and zebras must be resilient to survive long periods with little water. Unlike some species that can get most of their water from succulent plants, zebras need external water sources and are frequently seen visiting rivers, lakes, and waterholes. 10. Grooming behavior. Zebras have a symbiotic relationship with certain bird species, such as oxpeckers. These birds remove ticks and other parasites from the zebra's skin, helping keep them healthy. Besides benefiting from this relationship with birds, zebras also groom each other by nibbling each other's coats to remove dirt and parasites. This social behavior not only improves hygiene, but also strengthens bonds between group members. 11. Maternal care. Zebra mothers are deeply caring and essential to the survival of their offspring. Female zebras typically give birth to a single foal after a gestation period of about 12 months. As soon as the foal is born, it can stand and walk within minutes, which is vital for avoiding predators. In the first few weeks, the mother keeps the foal close, and they develop a deep bond. Mothers recognize their foals by their stripe patterns and scent, and foals quickly learn to follow their mothers for protection. 12. Survival instincts. Zebras are extremely alert and have well-developed survival instincts. They generally stay in open areas where they can spot predators from afar. When they detect a threat, they emit warning sounds to alert the group, and in many cases, they form a defensive circle, with the young in the center and adults positioned around to face the danger. When attacked, zebras don't flee immediately. They may respond aggressively, using kicks and bites to fend off predators. 13. Zebras versus horses. Although closely related to horses, zebras are much more challenging to domesticate due to their wild temperament. They are more independent and have stronger defensive instincts. Additionally, zebras are more resistant to tropical diseases like trypanosomiasis, which is transmitted by the tsetse fly and affects many animals in Africa. This resistance is one reason zebras thrive in environments where domesticated horses and other equids would struggle to survive. 14. Reproduction. The reproductive process in zebras is long and carefully timed. The gestation period of the plains and mountain zebra lasts around 12 to 13 months, which is relatively long for a herbivore. This ensures that the foals are strong and ready to face the harsh environment shortly after birth. Female zebras usually give birth during the rainy season when food is more abundant, increasing the foal's chances of survival. After birth, Foals must quickly learn to walk and run to keep up with the group, as predators are a constant threat. The bond between mother and foal is particularly strong during the first few months, and the foal relies heavily on the mother for both protection and social learning. 15. Impressive migrations. Zebras, especially plains zebras, participate in some of the largest migrations in the animal kingdom. One of the most spectacular examples is the annual Serengeti migration, where hundreds of thousands of zebras join wildebeest and gazelles on a journey spanning hundreds of kilometers in search of water and fresh grasslands. This impressive event is vital for the ecological balance of the region, as zebras graze on the drier grass, allowing wildebeest to benefit from the fresher growth. However, the migration is full of challenges, including crossing rivers teeming with crocodiles and evading large predators like lions and hyenas that lie in wait to ambush weaker or younger animals. 16. Zebroids. Zebras have been crossbred with horses and donkeys to create hybrids known as zebroids or zonkies. These hybrids, while fascinating, are typically sterile, meaning they cannot reproduce. Zebroids are less common than other equine hybrids due to the difficulty of crossing zebras, which tend to be wilder and more resistant to domestication. Although they inherit the physical traits of zebras, such as their stripes, they also inherit the robustness and docility of horses or donkeys, making them more of a curiosity than a practical animal. 17. Intelligence and memory. Zebras are highly intelligent animals with excellent memory. They can recognize and remember locations, routes, and even specific predators. This ability is particularly useful during their seasonal migrations when they need to navigate vast areas in search of food and water. Memory is also critical to survival in predator-rich environments, allowing zebras to recall escape routes and dangerous locations. Additionally, zebras form associations with other herbivores, such as wildebeest, to improve their chances of survival, using the collective intelligence of the group to detect threats. 18. Ecological impact. Zebras play a crucial role in the African ecosystem, especially as grazers of grass. By consuming the tougher and more fibrous grasses, they allow other herbivore species, such as antelopes, to access the younger, more nutritious grasses. This creates a healthy balance in the ecosystem and promotes biodiversity. Moreover, as zebras migrate, they help disperse seeds through their droppings, contributing to the regeneration of grasslands. Without zebras, African vegetation could become less diverse, impacting a wide range of species. 19. Community defense. When threatened by predators, zebras have a unique defense tactic. They gather in a circle, with the adults facing outward and the young protected in the center. This behavior, though uncommon among many other herbivores, allows zebras to use their powerful kicks and bites to fend off predators like lions and hyenas that approach. This demonstrates a strong group defense strategy, where each individual's survival is linked to the cohesion of the herd. Additionally, the dominant stallion is often the first to confront danger, ensuring that the rest of the group has a better chance to escape. 20. Cultural and symbolic role. Zebras hold significant cultural value in various African tribes and are often seen as symbols of freedom and resilience. For example, in some cultures, the zebra is associated with harmony due to its black and white pattern, symbolizing the balance between opposites. Furthermore, zebras appear in many flags and emblems of African nations, representing the wild and untamed nature of the African continent. Among the Maasai tribes, which share territory with zebras, the animal is respected, and its unique stripes are seen as a gift of nature. And there you have it. 20 incredible facts about zebras that showcase just how fascinating and important these animals are in the wild. From their unique stripes and social bonds to their impressive survival instincts, zebras continue to captivate and play a vital role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. If you found this video interesting, Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who love learning about wildlife. And of course, subscribe to the channel for more amazing animal facts and insights. See you in the next video.